pun ditutup dan kita telah bersedia untuk lepas pastikan semua papan elektronik telah diaktifkan ke dalam mod penerbangan jika anda ingin menggunakannya di dalam penerbangan ini. Terima kasih. Ladies and gentlemen, the aircraft doors now closed and we are ready for departure. Please ensure all electronic devices has been switched to flight mode if you wish to use it in this flight. Thank you. Salam sejahtera tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, penerbangan Firefly mengucapkan selamat datang ke pesawat Boeing 737-9800 penerbangan FY 3680 dan berperkongsian bersama Malaysia Airlines MH4663 menuju ke lapangan terbang antarabangsa Changi Terminal 2. Jemaah penerbangan adalah Kapten Chin Z dibantu oleh pembantu terbang koyong. Penerbangan akan mengambil masa lebih kurang 50 minit. Pastikan perkhidmatan seluler peralatan elektronik modali anda telah diaktifkan ke dalam mod penerbangan. Peralatan elektronik modali yang bersaiz besar hendaklah disimpan dengan selamat di ruang penyimpanan di atas sebelum melepas. Pengecasan peralatan elektronik modali di tempat duduk tidak dibenarkan apabila pesawat mula bergerak dan melepas. Rokok dilarang dalam penerbangan ini termasuk rokok elektronik. Pengisian rokok elektronik juga tidak dibenarkan dan bateri rokok elektronik mesti diasingkan dan disimpan dengan selamat. Penggunaan powerbank dilarang di dalam penerbangan. Anda diingatkan bahawa powerbank dan rokok elektronik mesti berada bersama anda dan tidak boleh disimpan di ruang penyimpanan di atas. Pastikan ia di dalam bagasi pribadi anda dan diletakkan di bawah tempat duduk di hadapan anda. Saya Adlina bersama Pramugari Farah Adia, Pramugari Jasro dan Pramugari Irfan akan menjaga keselamatan dan keselesaan anda. Kami mengharapkan anda selesa di sepanjang penerbangan. Terima kasih. A very good evening, ladies and gentlemen. We would like to welcome you on board Firefly Boeing 737-800 Series Flight FY3680, codeshare with Malaysia Airlines MH4663 bound for Changi International Airport Terminal 2. Flying us to Changi this evening is Captain Chin Z, assisted by First Officer Koyum. Our flight will take approximately 50 minutes. Ensure your cellular service on the portable electronic devices is turned to flight mode. Large portable electronic devices must be stored in the overhead compartment and secure before takeoff. Charging of portable electronic devices for the in-seat power supply systems and USB port are not permitted for taxi and takeoff. Smoking is not permitted, including electronic cigarettes. Recharging of electronic cigarettes is also not permitted, and batteries from electronic cigarettes must be removed and kept safely. The usage of power bank is strictly prohibited on board. You are reminded that power banks and electronic cigarettes must be carried with you at all times and shall not be placed in the overhead compartments. Ensure these items remain in your personal carry-on and placed under the seat baggage. My name is Adlina, together with Flight Stewardess Farah Adia, Flight Steward Jasro and Flight Steward Irfan will be taking care of your safety and comfort, wishing you a safe and pleasant flight. Thank you. Cabin crew to demo position. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, kami akan menunjukkan tata cara penggunaan alat keselamatan yang terdapat di dalam penerbangan ini. Penggunaan alat elektronik dan sebarang bot rakaman tidak dibenarkan. Semasa taklimat demonstrasi keselamatan, sila berikan perhatian anda kepada anak kapal di dalam kabin. Ladies and gentlemen, we will now demonstrate the use of safety equipment carried on this aircraft. The use of electronic devices and any mode of recording is not allowed during the safety demonstration briefing. Please give full attention to the cabin crew inside the cabin. This is your seatbelt. To fasten, insert the metal link into the buckle. Tighten the belt while pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten the seatbelt, leave the metal flap. Should the cabin pressure become low, an oxygen mask like this will appear for the compartment above you. Immediately pull the mask towards you. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth, with the headband tightly around your head and breathe normally. You must place the mask on yourself before attending to those under your care. This is your life vest. It is placed under your seat. To use it, slip it over your head like this. Wrap the strap around the waist and fasten the buckle. Pull the loose end tightly. Before leaving the aircraft, inflate your life vest fully by pulling the right inflation tag. To inflate further, blow into this tube. This light will activate automatically when the battery is immersed in the water. Blow this whistle to attract attention. Please take note of the luminous strips on the floor. In an emergency evacuation, follow these strips to the exit. Escape slides are located at all doors. Life rock will be launched forward and window exit. Please take note of the exit nearest to you. If smoke is present, keep low to the floor. Follow the luminous strips and lights to the nearest exit. If an emergency evacuation becomes necessary, leave all the personal belongings behind and proceed to the exit nearest to you. For quick and safe evacuation, follow instructions of the crew. You will find a copy of the safety information card in the seat pocket in front of you. It contains additional information such as brace position. Please read it carefully. In preparation for takeoff, ensure your seat belts will be fastened. Sit in the upright position. Table is stowed. Your reader sheets are drawn up and large electronic devices are properly stowed and secure. Should you require personalized safety briefings or further clarification, please call any of the cabin crew. Thank you for your attention. Misalah keselamatan terletak di dalam saku tempat duduk di hadapan anda yang mengandungi maklumat tambahan seperti posisi keselamatan. Sila baca dengan teliti. Terima kasih atas perhatian anda. Tuan-tuan dan puan-puan, sebagai langkah keselamatan, cahaya lampu di dalam kabin akan dimadamkan untuk berlepas. Sekiranya anda ingin membaca, sila nyalakan lampu bacaan anda. Ladies and gentlemen, as a safety measure, the cabin lights will be dim for the takeoff. If you wish to replace switch on, your radio lights above you. Thank you.